high-speed lift, far right side of the mountain. The base is over there. See all those cars? Got a little sunlight here, so the light's not so bad. When the light gets flat, it gets dicey on the runs just because you can't see where to turn, and there can be weird bumps or little tiny ridges that can cause you to get on your back on your downhill ski or uphill ski and fall. So anyway, this better light is much more safe than the other way around. So anyway, just a couple of skiers doing their magic. This lift rocks. It's so fast. Well, that was fun. See you in a while.